In this video, I'll guide you through how to find landing pages in Google Analytics 4. If you're used to Universal Analytics, this looks a bit different, but once you know where to click, it's very straightforward. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly see which pages people first land on when they visit your site. First, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you've selected the right GA4 property for your website. It's easy to be in the wrong property, so just glance at the property name at the top of the screen and switch if needed before you continue. Next, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Reports. This section is where GA4 keeps all of the standard reporting views you'll use most often. If you don't see the left menu, hover near the edge of the screen or click the little arrow to expand it. Within Reports, you'll see a group called Lifecycle. This is where GA4 organizes data around the stages of the user journey. Under Lifecycle, click on Engagement. The engagement area focuses on what people actually do once they're on your site or app, which pages they view, how long they stay, and how they interact. Inside Engagement, you'll find several reports. Here, click on Pages and Screens. This report shows performance for all your pages and app screens by default, and it's our starting point before we narrow things down specifically to landing pages. Give it a moment to load if your site has a lot of data. Once the Pages and Screens report is open, scroll down to the main data table. Above the table, on the left side of the column headers, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus icon is used to add an additional dimension to the report, which is how we'll switch from looking at general page views to focusing on landing pages. Go ahead and click that small plus icon. After clicking the plus, a menu will appear with a list of dimensions you can add. In this list, look for the option labeled Page as Screen. This category groups together different page and screen related dimensions. Click on Page / Screen to open up the related options. When the Page / Screen options appear, look for the dimension called Landing Page plus Query String. This is the key setting that will show you your landing pages, including any query string parameters that were present when the user first arrived. Click Landing Page plus Query String to apply it to your report. Once you've done that, your table will refresh. Now, instead of just listing general pages or screens, the primary dimension in your report will be the landing page URLs along with their query strings. These are the pages where sessions are starting, which is what most people mean when they talk about landing pages. Here, you'll see all of your landing pages listed in one place, along with the standard metrics like views, users, engagement time, and conversions, depending on how your report is configured. At this point, you can sort the table by users or sessions to see your top landing pages, or filter the results if you want to focus on a specific section of your site. You can also change the date range in the top right corner of the interface to look at a different period of time, such as the last 7 days, 30 days, or a custom range. And that's it. By going to analytics.google.com, opening reports, navigating through lifecycle to engagement, choosing pages and screens, using the plus icon to add a dimension, selecting page Saram screen, and then landing page plus query string, you can quickly see all of your landing pages in Google Analytics 4.